Now this is crazy. 200 inches of screen, 1,000 lights of festoon, and a 10-person hot tub. You're never gonna guess where this is. But it has one fatal problem, and it's up there. Hold on a minute, it's Thomas from the end. Before you continue watching any more of this video, make sure you hit those buttons down there. You know which ones I'm on about. I don't need to call them out. If you press them, the rest of this video will play now. So as you can see here, we've got a 200-inch projection screen backed by a 4K projector, which is over there. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We've currently got a 4K Apple TV on it, backed by a fabric-based custom-built screen with a wooden frame, allowing us to cover all of this wall from window to window. Yes, there is a window behind this, and it still works. Right here we've got the hot tub. I'll show you that. It's a 10-person hot tub, and up there for garden lighting we have festoon. But I've got a question for you. Where is this? Am I at a hotel? Am I on holiday? Or is this in my garden? I want you to think about it while I show you around, and I'll answer that question at the end. So as you can see, the festoon goes all the way down there. It covers the entire garden, and yes, there is a video about that. But don't worry, when you're here in the hot tub, simply by pressing the button on your phone, you can switch it off and have the full immersive experience. I'll be showing you that. Let's look at the projector. Let's see what's going on there, and I'll tell you about the tech. I'm over here by the projector, and I need to be a bit careful because it's in amongst some weeds, so mind my weird stepping. But yeah, we've got a 4K XGMI projector connected up to a Sonos Connect that's in the back of this box. It's been padded out for heating, and it's got a heater in it to make sure the projector doesn't get too cold. That did happen, and we did have to buy a new one. Over here in this box is where all the technology lies. We've got an Apple TV 4K, network switches, and here is an access point. We've got a Ubiquiti access point to make sure you're getting maximum bandwidth in the hot tub. This all works together with some Sonos Connects over there and the amp for the speakers. Those are in the garage, and there is a video of me installing the rack that you can watch if you're interested in what's in there. But now it's time for the nighttime vibe, and as you can see, I've turned the festoon off, and it's a completely immersive experience. You can see all 200 inches. Yes, the speaker is slightly in the way. I am aware of that. You can see all 200 inches of screen as real estate that you can enjoy from the hot tub. Okay, and let's answer the question back at the start. Is this a holiday? No. Am I somewhere special? No. This is here in my back garden, and I built this all myself. So it's just some timber 2x4s around the outside, fabric that's pulled nice and tight. That's like, it's sort of I don't know how to explain it. It's sort of like glossy-ish sort of fabric. It's not reflective and such, but it repels the water. But what is the problem? Let me stand here so you can see me. Up there, which you can't see, but hopefully I'll film some footage. There are some aerials. There are the TV aerials. We don't actually use those anymore because nobody streams regular TV. We got Sky here in the UK. And as you can see by the plethora of apps, a lot of streaming services. But they allow birds to do one thing that birds are very good at, is excrete stuff from their arse. And turns out that sticks to the screen. I don't know how well you can see here and up there, but the screen is no longer white, and that is a pain. But I hope you enjoyed seeing my projector screen set up. I thought I'd show you this. So we're about to be redesigned. We're about to make it even bigger because I think it needs to be bigger. This is not big enough, is it? You want it bigger and better. I hope you've enjoyed this, and hope you found it interesting. If you want to see what's happening later on with the screen and all the changes I'm planning to make, including larger hot tub, we need more hot tub, I think. Not enough, we need another one. Don't you agree? For the mega hot tub parties. We often have parties, there may be 200, 300 people here. We've got the trampoline behind me, nice big open garden. They get their deck chairs out, all of that sort of stuff. If you're interested in any of that content, let me know below, and I will show you it in a future update when I make this even bigger.